Hello everybody, welcome to the Mystery Steamboat channel. If you've subscribed already, a big thumbs up to you. If you're not subscribed, there's a button for notifications, there's a button for subscriptions to join the fun of the Mystery Steamboat channel. I'm going to do another little card trick for you now. I'll do a quick shuffle. I'm not going to do much of a shuffle. I'm just going to do a little shuffle there, little shuffle there, little shuffle there, little shuffle there. That's going to do. Don't want to shuffle too much today. But what we're going to kind of do is, I'm going to try and do like a little riffle shuffle down here. Yeah. Let me just say, I can't do this because so hard to play do this after some. Oh, I swore. So what I'll do is, I'll try and do a little riffle shuffle like that, yeah? So at some point you would say stop, yeah? And we would stop the cards. Let me just see if I can hold it a bit better then because I'm going to fall on the floor. So let's just say there. We'll stop there and then that's it. We'll pull them out there. Oops, as he pulls out all the cards there. And that card there, it was the top card. That's your card, yeah? So we put that one down there because we don't want that one there. We don't want that one there. And then we'll just put them there. Now, what we're now going to do is we're going to split the deck of cards. In fact, yeah, let me just see if I put that there. We're going to split the deck into 3 decks of cards, yeah? So let's say a little deck there and a little deck, say, there. Boom. That's probably not even. Let's just do a few more. Weave that one up a little bit there. That was a really rubbish cut there, wasn't it? It's a bit more equal. I should have said that first. Make it an equal split. An equal split. So what we're now going to do is we're now going to turn over the top 3 cards. Yeah, we've got a 2, we've got a jack, and we've got a 5. So I'll just show you there. We've got a 2, we've got a jack, we've got a 5. Now, for the purpose of the trick, a jack is a 10 because any card which is a jack, queen, king is a 10. Everything else is a number, yeah? So that's going to be a number 10. So, what now I'm going to use the magic coin. The magic coin. To show this is more random. It's an ordinary coin, it's a British coin. There's the queen's head there, because it's heads for the towel, and there's the towels there. So it's just a random thing. So basically what I'm going to say now is that you've got a 2. Do you want to keep that 2, or do you want to change it? So just so that I'm not cheating, I'm going to, oops, do that, I'm going to, oops, do it there, and you can now see that if it's heads, I won't look at it, if it's heads we'll keep it, if it's tails we'll change it, yeah? So that's what it is there. So I'm looking at the other side, that's a heads, to heads we'll keep it, right? So we'll just keep the 2 cards there. So we do 2 cards down, and then we just put 2 over there, and that's it there. So we'll do the same again with the jack. So do you want to keep the jack, which is a 10, or do you want to change it? So I'll do the same again there. I'll do a little coin toss there. I couldn't see it. If I lift it up there, I can now see there again. That's another head. Oh, so another head. So we keep it as a 10 then. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we do the same again there, and we put them back over there, and then we've then got the 5. Let's do, oops, another 5 there. Do we keep it or do we save it? So let's just see. Heads to keep, tails to get rid of. It looks like it's a heads again. What are the chances of that getting free? I can't do that. So let's do the same again. So we do 5, because it's 5 cards down this time. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1 over there and 1 over there. And that's it then, isn't it? So that's it. So, we get rid of those cards there. We don't need those cards there. They're not part of the trick, really. The trick is basically these top 3 cards here and this prediction. So, if I lift up that card there, there's 1 card. If I lift up that card, there's another card. And if I lift up that card, there's the 3rd in the set, I'm hoping, because that was my prediction all along, and if that is the case, that, my friends, is magic.